Hi friends, it's Product Review Wednesday. See Lynn and I on Sundays for personal videos about our retired life in Ajijic, Jalisco, Mexico, our RV life here in Arizona, my Ram ProMaster camper van conversion project, and my off-grid workshop projects. That's Sunday mornings. On Wednesdays, I do product reviews, and today we have a telescopic ladder from DEZEX, D-E-Z-E-X, telescopic ladder, 5 meters, that's 16.8 feet. Let's get it out of the box. Please enjoy my stories or whatever else might be on my mind today. We have here the clip. Warnings, do not place your fingers between the rungs when closing the ladder. Good idea. Warning, do not stand above this rung or you can lose your balance. Danger, check all the locks are engaged before climbing the ladder. Okay, a ladder does one thing really well. It makes you higher so that you can work on things that are above your reach. But it also does some other things. It keeps you safe. Feet that are non-skid. Directions for being safe. Don't put it out at more than a 60-degree angle. It has what they call an ergonomic grip right here. Makes it comfortable for your fingers when you're carrying it. To raise the ladder, unclick the buckle, put your foot on the bottom rung, pull up the first one till it clicks, click, 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 click. You can go up to 16.8 feet. To lower it, if you just had it a little too high and you wanted to lower just one or two rungs, there are little orange tabs here. You don't have to do them at the same time. Click one, click the other, and it will come down to that point. In order to lower the whole thing, there are the same kind of tabs right here. It's called one finger click. And as it comes down, please note that it has air shocks in it, so it doesn't just collapse. It hits the air and it'll bounce a little bit for each rung. Don't have to do them at the same time. One finger process. Hear the air? You see the bounce? Slick. And there, it's secure. Wow, 16 feet's up there a ways. For the record, I had my 80th birthday 2 weeks ago, and I shouldn't be going up the ladder. But this one feels pretty good to me. You know, as I get up here towards the top, I want to make a point. I have had another ladder kind of like this, and it only came up to here, the top of the RV, and you had to climb up and step off. I work all the time in Mexico at my house with those young Mexicans, and they always set the ladder right there at the top. They go up, they go onto the roof. I need some extra ladder up there so that I can go all the way up and be sturdy holding on to it here and then step off. We didn't talk about the hooks that come with it. Curiously enough, there's nothing in the manual about it, but they just clip right in here and they swivel. And I call these gutter hooks. I guess you could hook them on a tree limb or the top of a fence, whatever you need to do to help secure yourself. And they come right out. There's a little clip back here that I'm pushing. And you have these extra covers that go right on there in case you don't want to use these. If you need a ladder that's collapsible and easy to store, because your space is limited, whether it's in your house or your RV, that's where that one's going to live. There you go. Links below in the video description if you need one. Thanks for being with me today. Hey, if you like me, give me one of those thumbs up. And please subscribe and hit that little bell so you know when I post next. Please share me with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what was on my mind today.